Vulkan is a 3D graphics API. It is currently increasing in popularity within the games industry, and is therefore important to increase its physics-based capabilities which can be used by developers, such as soft bodies. Soft bodies are a representation of deformable objects present within the real world. They are utilized within games to simulate 2D and 3D objects, for instance hair, mud, and cloth. This is why this project delivers a framework on top of Vulkan that can generate customizable soft bodies from static models. This framework is able to simulate the movement and collision behavior of soft bodies in real time using efficient collision techniques. In order to do this, the framework can render multiple models loaded in from an OBJ file and given a text to image PNG or JPEG. A model's transform can then be manipulated by the framework. It uses a component-based system which has a GameObject class where the models and soft bodies can be added as components. The framework has a collision system, which initially performs a broad phase AABB collision detection test between each game object with a model component. If a collision detection test is successful and one of the game objects has a soft body component, then a narrow phase test is performed. This test involves the triangles of one soft body model traversing through a bounding volume hierarchy created from the other model and checking for intersections. Each intersecting triangle is then passed to the soft body to perform an appropriate collision response. The framework uses the mass spring system to simulate its soft bodies. This system entails creating a network out of point masses from the model and then attach them together via weightless springs. The framework creates a grid-based network using the model's vertices and bounding volume hierarchy. Finally, to actually create the soft body behavior, each mass is given a force comprised of gravity, a spring force derived from Hooke's law, and a damping force to keep the system stable. Then using implicit Euler integration, a mass's position is updated, which then updates its respective vertex. When these systems are put together, it creates this. So to recap, this project is able to simulate soft bodies in Vulkan. It can load and render a model from an OBJ and create a soft body from it with appropriate behavior and collisions using the mass spring method. Thank you for watching.